Holy shit! Today I'm going to take a stroll behind my house and hopefully not blow away or slip on ice, because yeah, that's the kind of stuff I gotta deal with. It's all ice and snow and wind. Brilliant. So right now I'm currently walking up the road that I've created. This is my camper, my Honda Civic. Up ahead, that's a quad pad that I have made. This leads down to a bog, then to two or three ponds. It's really nice in the summer or fall. Right now, there's a lot of icy snow and ice, pure ice. Ice baby, you know? I definitely cannot go mountain in this kind of conditions. It's winter. And I thought last night all the snow was going to melt, but instead we got freezing rain, lots of it. It didn't change the rain, it froze. So just can't win. Yeah, this. Snow's not all that solid. I don't think I'll slip down. Anyway guys, I'll meet you down at the bog there. There it is. Down there is pond number 1. I'm not that far away from the bog. I'm just, geez, 20 feet or so. Yeah, pond down there. I'm not going to go to that pond because I'm not too sure how safe it is. However, I do know how safe the pond is up here. So I'm well used to it. I know that pond like the back of my hand. Fell into it, down to the ice a few times. Up to that pond on top of it right now. I know where it's shallow. I know where it's deep. I know where there's a brook going into it. And that's something you guys should know if you're going to walk across a pond. If you're not too familiar with, be aware of the thickness of the ice, where there's any streams, brooks, or rivers going into it, because generally that's where the ice will be weaker, and the likelihood of you falling down into and then get sucked under the ice because of the current. Yeah, just avoid where the river goes into the pond at all costs. Now this time of here, it's only a small little brook going into it, or maybe two or three small ones. So pretty much the majority of this pond here is safe to walk on, at least I think. Not too sure if the deep end was up that direction more. Small shack there. Yeah, it's my favorite pond. It's called Billy Guy's Pond. There's another pond up that way, and it's probably the worst pond ever because it's a pond in the middle of a freaking bog. Therefore, there is no bottom to it. It's all mud. God knows how deep it is either. Anyway, this is Billy Guy's Pond. It's well froze over. So yeah, and it is quite slippery. You know, I should have brought some skates because this is actually really good ice for skating on. Oh, another tip: if the ice is gray, it does not mean that it's safe to walk on. This could be, you know, I think the ice turns grey was about 2 inches or 3. Even so, it's pretty safe enough for you to walk on, but if you've got a machine or ATV or Skidoo, I wouldn't really trust it then. Bring an axe and cut a hole into the ice. Check the thickness. Then you'll decide if it's safe enough to walk on or not. Yeah, this pond is okay. As far as I know, this is a right now. This the starts to get deep. Like this section right here is maybe at the most 3.5 feet deep, 4 feet at the very most. But in this side, this right here, I think it goes down to about 10. Maybe that this right there is probably 20 feet deep. I'd say deepest 30 feet. Maybe, I'm not too sure. So yeah, deeper end is part I got to be wary of. But it seems to be pretty solid. There's no cracking, which is always a good sign. Never walk on a pond where you hear cracking every step you take. That's a little tip for you guys if you ever decide to walk on ponds. So I got 3 beyond my house, which I, you know, walk across quite often during the winter. This one here is the one I walk across the most, so that's why I know it so well. Alright, let's go to the last pond, which is up in that direction. Looks like there's a bog hole I gotta cross. It's not too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. Well guys, I'm almost to the other pond. Oh God. Whew. It's hard walking through the snow. Look at that, a bog hole before you even get to the pond. What happened if I go over this? Hallelujah, stayed up. This pond here I actually do not like. Oh, moose tracks. Ah. That's cool. Fairly fresh too. Oh, moose look. I think the moose really, yeah, kind of went on the side of the pond there. If you go down to this pond, you're probably not gonna come out. Like I said, this is the pond I mentioned earlier in the video. This is like really muddy bottom, like bog mud, you know. This pond here seems to be fairly safe. Alright guys, I'm heading back now. So much easier heading back than it is going up to this pond. Whew. Without slipping and dying on the ice. Come on now. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Anyway, I guess I'll show you guys pond number 1 because, you know, I'm only like showing you guys from the pad. I guess I'll show you the pond and its entire. So this right here is pond number 1. It's the biggest pond beyond my house.